How to log into Lowe's Advantage card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Lowe's Advantage card. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First step, simply search for Lowe's Advantage card login on your web browser. Then you'll find Lowe's website here. You can just go to the website, and after you go to the website, you will have to log in into your account. So you'll see the sign in option on the top right. So you won't be able to find the login option below, but on the top right, you will see the sign in option. Tap on it and then tap on sign in or create account. After you tap on that on my pad here, you'll be redirected to the login page for Lowe's. So right there, you'll have to type in your credentials such as your user ID and then your password, and then simply hit enter and you'll get logged in. So the sign-in page is not working due to regional issues in my area, but for you it should be working just fine. So just go through the process and you'll be logged in. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.